Hi guys, so cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Fortnite's fish stick back bling. So let's get started. To draw a cute fish stick, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, kind of wide, so say about right here. And draw another circle. Now that our circle's in, let's come into the center and I'm going to draw another circle. And I'll give it a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. So same thing on this side. There, so now that the circle's in, eyes in, let's come above the eye and we're going to draw a curve right above the eye that comes in and then at the bottom as well, just to make it look puffy because it is a fish, right? And same thing on this side. So say about right here. It's easier for my hand to go that way. Just go ahead and draw this curve and bottom as well. There, now we have these popped out puffy eyes. Then from there, I know it looks really weird, right? From there, let's come about right here and here. And I'm going to basically just connect it with a curve at the bottom. Not too deep, just nice and shallow. About here will be my center. And go right back up. Then let's draw the mouth. So right towards the bottom right here, I'm going to start with a big curve. So it's a very thin oval. And curve on the corners and sides and then connect. And then I'm just going to add a very soft curve right inside. There. So silly, right? Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Let's come into this area you've created this curve on both sides. Just make it a little bit more even. Then I'm going to come in between right here and draw a curve that comes right over. So we're going to start to draw his hat right over there. Now we can go ahead and draw his hat. So let's come about right here and here. And I'm basically just going to draw a big dome over. So say about right here and come right back down. Then let's come to the top right here. We're going to draw this little ornament piece right in the center. Connect it. And then this top part right here, just basically 3 little zigzags for the top. And then for some details, you can come about right here. I'll just drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big to create a curve all the way across. Then right in the center, we're going to add a straight line down. And then some of these stitches, just going at different angles. Now that we're done with his head, let's go ahead and draw his cute little body. So right here, in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve that comes out. And let's see here, let's bring this down. And bring it in a little bit more right here and here. And then I'm going to skip a little bit of space and then come about right here. Continue. Give a little wobble towards the center and then out. So we're just giving a little bit of space to not connect it. Then from there, let's come to the center, say about right here and here. give myself 2 points and we're going to start to draw the legs. So right here I'm going to wobble and connect. So same thing here, wobble, wobble, and connect. Then his feet, let's come down right here and we're just going to curve it out. And round it off and connect. So same thing over here. And connect there. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his arms. I'm going to come to the side right here and bring out a curve. I want his hands to end about right here. So I'll step about right there, come into this space and draw a thumb. Round it off for his fingers. Let's come out with a slight angle and connect. And same thing on this side. So let's come about right here. Just like the other side, we're going to have his thumbs about right here. Round, angle this part, and then basically just connect with his fingers. There. And then for some details, oh, before I forget, for his hat, there's just this part that sticks out. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to draw this curve and bring it in. So same thing here. And bring it in. And then for some details right here, you can come right in the center and about right here, I'm just going to draw these little shapes right here where it ties with his hat. And then let's come about right here. I'll give myself a point, come right across for his belt. So just draw a curve, comes across and thicken that curve. And for some details, just draw some lines inside just to simplify it. And this detail right here on his top, just going to draw this kind of rounded off rectangle here, and then some stitches. So they're all done. I really hope you loved this very cute and simplified fish stick from Fortnite. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.